Real chance. Goalkeeping of the highest order.
Well, he's got to be pleased with that save. It's absolutely magnificent. Well, they're calm now, but that initial save was absolutely magnificent.
Can he put it away? Oh, tremendous reflex action there from the keeper.
Well, he didn't have long to react, did he? But that's a top-class save, I have to say.
Now can they make something happen? Well, the fans want to see a shot. Oh, good reflexes from the keeper and the danger averting.
Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
Who can they pick out? It might be... And a goal! Just when we wondered if this might finish 0-0. There it is. They're in front.
Well, here's the replay. It all starts with the delivery into the box. Just begging someone to get on the end of it. But you have to question the defending here. They don't attack the ball when it comes in. They don't react quickly enough to close the scorer down. It's really poor defending.
Here. And he's broken free. Not